Today we are going to see about the mount command. What is the use of the mount command? We have to attach different devices in the different format. Okay, so Linux will accept the file system. Okay, so first what are the things we are going to see? First one is a USB-I connected, and Red Hat ISO file is connected through the VMware I used. Okay, so first I have to use the first command, block ID. Block ID, what will be the list? So here the device STB1, this one is a pen drive, and device SR1. These are two things. This one is a Red Hat file, this one is a pen drive. Okay, first I am going to use a pen drive. So mount slash, the path is device STB1. Yes, here the MNT, I have the file system for pen drive. This folder is the pen drive. Okay, I mounted. So ls -l slash mnt pen. Okay, this is the file is contains these are the information in the pen drive. Okay, and make it mount slash, what is the path? Device slash stb1. Yes, it is unmounted. Okay, so and I have to list whether the file is there or not. MNT pen. Okay, there is no, because we have unmounted. Okay, next file system I am going to do ISO file. Okay, mount. So a little bit different. Type ISO 9660, and I use the option and loop. So here I have to mention the path. Device SR1 space slash MNT slash ISO folder I created. Okay, that's it. So it has some errors. It shows some error. What is the error? Yes, some slash is not available here. Yeah, I am going here. Yes. Now I am going to list out ls MNT ISO. Yeah, these are the expanded files is available. Okay, this is the way you have to mount ISO file as well as pen drive and make it mount. Very simple, mount MNT slash ISO. Okay, this is removed. I make it clear the screen, and ls -l slash, what do we call, MNT slash ISO. Okay, good. Thank you. Next video, see.